Hello and welcome to Bright Minds Adventure TV. My name is Justice, and today I'll be taking you through a simple and clear video tutorial on how to use the new Teacher Transfer and Swap module on the TSC Portal. Before we go any further, please make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Watch it carefully until the end, so let's begin. Step 1. Preparation. What you need and where to start. Before we begin, please make sure you have the following ready: your TSC number, your password, and your official Mwalimu email address. If you have forgotten your email or your login details, don't worry, I'll guide you through that process in this video.
Step 1.
Now, start by opening your browser. In this case, I am using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser of your choice. Go to the address bar at the top and type www.tsc.go.ke. Then press Enter. Once the home page loads, there are several tabs, including Home, About Us, Services, Media Center, Online Services, Career, and much more. Now for our case, look for the Online Services tab and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Transfer and Swap tab and then click on it to proceed. Step 2. Accessing the TSC Portal. Now here is my tip. You can still access this page by directly typing in your Chrome browser address bar portal.tsc.go.ke. After clicking Transfer and Swap, you'll be redirected to the TSC Portal login page. Here, log in using your username and your password. These are the same credentials you use for Teachers Online Services and the Income, Assets and Liabilities Declaration System. If you have forgotten your password, simply click Forgot Password. If you click Forgot Password, the system will send a one-time password to your official Mwalimu email. Now, if you can't remember your Mwalimu email, which I know most of you don't use often, you can easily get it on the TPay system, where you usually download your payslip, so let me guide you through. Enter your TSC number and password, then do the arithmetic, which is the security stamp. Click to open. When the page loads, there are several tabs such as Home, Personal Details, Employment Details, Update My Details, Self-Help. Now select Update My Details tab and click to open. Once the page interface loads, navigate to the email address section. There you'll find your Mwalimu email address.
Step 3. Opening Outlook email.
Open another tab on your browser and search Outlook Mail or Microsoft Outlook. Click to open. Click to sign in. Now go back on your TPay page and copy your Mwalimu address. Now this my bonus tip, you cannot use your Google Mail or Yahoo to sign in. It's the Mwalimu email provided by TSC. For those who have challenges in accessing or queries, you reach out to your ICT officer at your respective county. You'll be helped to recover Mwalimu email address. Also, you can download the Outlook app on the Play Store on your smartphone and sign in for full user experience. Now sign in and go to the Mails tab. Click on the Inbox tab to open. Step 4. Password reset process. Now go back to the Transfer Swap tab you earlier opened. Click to enter the OTP sent to your email. Open your email, tab, copy the OTP, return to the portal, paste it into the space provided, and click Verify OTP. Please note, usually the OTP expires after 5 minutes. If it expires, click Resend OTP. After verification, you'll be prompted to create a new password and then log in. Step 5. Teacher Dashboard Overview. Once logged in, you land on your teacher dashboard. Here you can see your personal profile details, a summary of your activity, and a navigation menu on the left for different services. This is your main control panel on the TSC system. Step 6. Accessing the Transfer and Swap module. Now on the left-hand menu, click on Transfer and Swap and then select Request Transfer. If you've made any previous requests, they will appear here. To start a new application, click Request Transfer. Step 7. Completing the transfer request. The system will guide you through 4 steps. 1. Profile. Your personal information is auto-filled. 2. LOS. This is also auto-filled by the system. 3. Reason. Select or explain why you're requesting a transfer. 4. Transfer to. Choose the county, sub-county, and school you want to move to. Review all the information carefully, then click Submit. Step 8. Viewing your transfer status. After submitting, you can return to this page anytime to track your request. The status will show as pending, approved, or acted upon. This helps you know exactly where your request is in the process. Step 9. Using the Swap module. You can also explore the Swap section to view other teachers interested in swapping stations. If you find a suitable match, you can accept the request or approve a swap to fast-track movement. This option helps teachers support each other and speeds up the process. Thank you so much for watching this training on the Teacher Transfer and Swap module. I hope this guide has made the process simpler and clearer for you. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more practical guides and updates. Stay empowered, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.